Hi everyone, today's assignment is we have to create three virtual machines and we can use any Linux version with any hypervisor. So here I used Ubuntu OS and I use Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager to manage all these three virtual machines. Like I have created with some basic memory this one I created with 5048 MB memory. Likewise, parallelly I have created two more machines and I have named virtual VM my roll number underscore one. Likewise, I have created on two more virtual machines. So my here task is like in virtual machine one, I have to install any web server. So like in virtual machine 1, I installed Apache server, and in virtual machine 2, I have to install any database. I choose MySQL database, and virtual machine 3, we have to access. That is the task. So in virtual machine 1, I will let me show you. Um, yeah, this is the virtual machine 1. So virtual machine 1, so I have created Apache server. So to check the status of Apache server, so we can check this using this command sudo systemctl status, sudo systemctl status Apache 2. So Apache 2 this that is in active state, so that means it's running. So that server is running. So fine. So it is running. Okay. Likewise, I am going to check in virtual machine 2 that SQL service is running or not. Actually, I'm already in existing in MySQL, so I'm quitting. Okay. Okay. My system SQL system STL status MySQL. So MySQL also is server is running. MySQL service is also operational, so it is running. So fine. So next step is, so I'm going to check. So already we ensure these two steps. I'm going to show the IP address for each virtual machines and network configurations. That about network configuration, what I did is these with the three virtual machines, I connected via this using this bridge adapter connected for these three virtual machines. And um, coming to these IP address, so we can how to find, we can use this IP address show. We can use the 192.168.1.42, that is the first IP address for virtual machine 1. So I already noted down everything here. Okay. Okay, that is the one point, that is the virtual machine one IP address. So this is the here. Okay, so that check is done. So I'm marking is just I'm marking done. Okay, this one is done, and we are going to check the IP address for virtual machine two. Virtual machine two, I'm just clearing. Sorry, typo mistake. So, okay, IP address show. So for virtual machine 2, IP address is 192.168.1.45. That is the virtual machine 2 IP address. So that also correct. So virtual machine 3 IP address. Virtual machine 3 IP address, I'm just clearing. IP address show. The third virtual machine IP address is 192.168.1.44. That is the third virtual machine IP address. So now we are going to check these each virtual machines are it's communicating or not. Like how I am going to check the simple test. I'm going to use ping. I'm using the ping that IP address for each machines. So we already know for every machine IP address, each machine IP address we know. I'm going to ping here ping 192 192.168.1.45. 198.1.45. We are already in V1, so virtual machine 1. So I am trying to virtual machine 1 to virtual machine 2. So it's like I'm getting the signal. So this like it's communicating. So fine. So now I'm going to check virtual machine 1 to virtual machine 3. That means like we will ping IP address from virtual machine 1 machine. I'm going to ping the virtual machine 3 IP address 168.1.44. So this case also I'm getting the signal. So this also passed. So like virtual machine 1 to virtual machine 3, that one also it's working fine. So this one also done. So likewise I'm going to check the virtual machine 2. Virtual machine 2 is communicating to each machines or not. So this is the thing. So I'm clearing. Okay. Already as we already know, like this virtual machine 2 IP address is 1.45. So I'm communicating like other virtual machines. So ping, I'm trying to communicate to virtual machine 1. So I have to enter 192 first virtual machine IP address 192.168.1.42. Yeah. For this also I'm getting signal. That means virtual machine 2 to virtual machine 1. That's also working fine. So I'm going to check virtual machine 2 to virtual machine 3 is working fine or not. So I'm stopping. So we are already in virtual machine 2. So I'm pinging virtual machine 3 IP address on 92.168.1.44. Yeah, I'm getting signal. So we can see the signal is we are receiving. So this one also working fine. These two machines, virtual machine 1 and 2 is communicating, and we are going to check for virtual machine 3. So virtual machine 3, I'm just clearing the task, clearing the logs. So like virtual machine 3 IP address is the 0.44. So I'm pinging to like virtual machine 1 IP address 192.168.1.42. Yeah, I can able to access that virtual machine 1 from virtual machine 3. This one also working fine. Okay. Okay, virtual machine 3 to virtual machine 1. That one also working fine. Now I'm going to check virtual machine 3 to virtual machine 2. So virtual machine 2 IP address is virtual machine 2 IP address is 1.192.168.1.45. That is virtual machine 2 IP address. So I'm pinging. So this one also it's communicating fine. So it's working fine. So during like due to this verification, like we can automatically we can know like the three virtual machines are communicating each other using this pinging the IP address. We can get to know. So like now I'm going to show you actually I already created database as already mentioned. I created database in virtual machine 2. Like virtual machine 2 I already created database. So I'm going to enter into database. Okay, sudo mysql minus u root minus p. So I'm entering the password. Okay, so here I'm just like to show my databases. Okay, here I like to show my databases, like databases, show databases. Like I have like 5 DB. So I already use dummy DB. So DB is changed. So what is inside this table? Like actually table also like dummy table, show tables. Yeah, dummy table. So select star from dummy table. Like already I have like few datas. syntax error. Okay, spelling mistake I made here. Select. Okay, I already have like a few set of datas until 13th. So here that is the thing. Here like I used sudo nano index. I used on PHP script. So index.php. So these are my PHP file script. So in this file script, what I did is like I just designed like simple HTML page to communicate. Like here the server name is like I mentioned virtual machine 2 IP address, and these are the username password like DB username. And when I have created at the time I gave username password those credentials, and this is my DB name, dummy DB. That is my DB name, and table is like dummy table is my table name. This is the data is showing. So this is the index page. This is the index page for PHP. So like we are going to access from here. So I already like refreshed. Okay, so like I'm just going to insert like I'm going to insert like new data from Dinesh. So I'm submitting it. While submitting, it's like redirecting to another page, and I'm getting error. So that is like I have small glitch. So I have to technically I have to fix it. And after refreshing, like that, new data is getting inserted automatically. This is the new data. So one more new data, I am doing IATJ PGDD data engineering course. Data engineering course. I'm submitting it. Like after refreshing, automatically it will reflect here. So like automatically these two data are like I inserted recently, so it's reflected. So now I'm going to show you in DB side in backend side. So I'm just querying the select query for table. So here like we can see the 14 and 15 tables. These records are the new records. So from this, like we can conclude these all each machines are communicating each other. So it's done. Like thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.